Hey, welcome to Brixpo 2025 here in Adelaide and South Australia. Let's check out some of the amazing builds from this year's show. This year's Brixpo was another massive success, and just like last year, another sellout. Thousands and thousands of fans descended on the St.Clair Recreation Centre to marvel at the Lego builds from creators from South Australia and interstate. Lego is so much more than just a kid's toy. It's a key to a different world, maybe one filled with pirates. Maybe one that takes you deep through forests. Or across oceans. Lets you explore different lands. And can even take you out of space. Hope you're enjoying Lego Brixpo 2025 here in beautiful Adelaide, South Australia. And if you could do me a solid right now, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit the like and the subscribe buttons. And just doing these couple little things really helps the growth of my little channel. Hey, and if you have a friend who might like this video, feel free to share it with them as well. Okay, thanks for listening. Let's get back to all of the amazing Lego at Brixpo 2025. It doesn't matter if you're into planes, trains, automobiles, There is no limit to what some people can create with a simple Lego brick. Here are some of the highlights of this year's Brixpo. Some are truly wicked. Others make you hungry for pizza, while others send you back in time. Can't find anything to be amazed by or inspired by or enjoy here, then you really may need to check your pulse. A massive thank you to Southern Bricks Lego User Group for organising this event, which is all run by volunteers. And to the incredible creators from across the country who make Brixpo the amazing exhibit that it is today. And of course Lego for making this wonderful little toy that proves you can create almost anything if you just use your imagination. Hey, it really is extraordinary the kind of things that people can do with Lego, as I think you'll agree from watching this video here. But to learn more about the cool things you can do here in Adelaide, like Brixpo, you want to click on this video over here now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.